Hi, good evening everyone. I'm here to do some unboxing review of my Tory Burch shoes. I bought this one last week from Dubai Mall. As you can see, there is violet paper back there and it's written with Tory Burch. Okay, I'm going to open it now. So you can see there is shoe bags inside. So excited guys to open my new Tory Burch shoes, and this is a Caroline Mystical Elastic and my size is size 6. So Caroline Mystical Elastic. I'm sorry guys because I'm using my mobile. And so now I'm going to review my new Tory Burch shoes. I'm so Peace. Thanks.